In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix USB Type-C earphones not detected. So normally if you plug in the USB, you should be able to find the headphones icon over here. But if it is not being detected, what you have to do is open the settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. In order to fix this problem, you need the access to the developer options. So for that, first of all, tap on this option about phone. Now tap on this option version. After you do that, make sure to tap on the build number 6 to 7 times and the developer options will be enabled. In the settings interface, find the option for system and tap on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option developer options. Now you'll be able to see bunch of options over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Find the section for media. Now over here you'll be able to find this option disable USB audio routing. What you have to do is toggle this button off. Now after you do that, USB audio routing will be enabled and your Type-C earphones will be detected. So that is how you fix USB Type-C earphones not detected. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.